Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install the NS2 Simulator in Ubuntu. NS2 is actually an open source simulation tool that runs on Linux. It's basically used for network purposes and provide substantial support for simulation of routing, multicast protocols and IP protocols such as the UDP, RTP and TCP. So before the installation of NS2, we will have to install the another animation package that is called the TCL NAM network animator. It is a tool for viewing the network simulation traces and packet traces. It also supports the topology layout, packet level animation and various data inspections. So to install the NAM animator tool before the installation of NS2, so let's start. Click on terminal. Here type the command sudo apt-get install NAM. Type the password to install it. Now the name is installing. Let the downloading be finished. After that it will install the NAM automatically. After that we will install the NS2 simulator. Now this package has been installed. Now it's the time to install the NS2 simulator. So for this, type the commands sudo apt-get install NS2 Now the installation of the NS2 has been started. Once the downloading has been completed, it will be installed on this machine. Now the NS2 installation has been completed successfully. To check whether the NS2 has been installed or not, so what we will do, we will open the file. Suppose create a file with the command sudo gedit .tcl with the extension of .tcl and click on it. Now a file has been created and open. Here I will type some simple code to run it on the NS2 simulator to check whether it is running or not. Suppose I'm adding two value. I wrote this code and save it. To run this file, what I will do, I will run the command ns.8.tcl. So 50 is the answer. It means that our simulator is working. Let's execute the another code. Here I will create a command, a file. For example, abc.tcl. I paste the code here, save the file, and I will try to run the code. Sudo ns with the file I created now, abc.tcl. So the file is running and our simulation is started successfully. So thanks for watching.